What's up YouTube, it's MWest here, and today I have a very special unboxing for you guys. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket Extension Rod, which is about $69 on DJI.com's website, but the shipping is about $15, which is a little iffy right there, but as you can see I still went ahead and purchased it. To my right here I have my DJI Osmo Pocket. I have it sitting in the PGY Tech accessory mount holder. Here's the DJI accessory mount, the Wi-Fi module, and then a PGY Tech, I guess, lens guard. And then I have it sitting on a 16,000 milliamp camera grip handle, and that's kind of how I carry it around. I will say I do like my Osmo Pocket, but I'm always afraid of it dropping or breaking or something happening to it. So I don't take it around as much, but I definitely love the footage that I get from it. Instead, I usually take around my Osmo Action, which is a little bit more durable. But with that said, let's jump right into this unboxing and just see what we have in this box here. A lot of people have been waiting to see what this looks like and kind of test it out. I don't even see a decent entry point here. Right. Oh, maybe I go through the bottom. So I was reading a couple of different opinions and thoughts about this, and some people were on the fence about buying it. Some people didn't see the point in it. But I think that's all that comes in the box. That's it. There's a box there, a little sponge, small booklet, right? Nice matte feel. Before I break it, maybe I should take a look at the book to understand how to work it. Now this lights up. Lock-on mechanism, and in here you can see it has some type of circuit. So it looks like it's going to connect directly to the front here. So let's go ahead and start taking out my Osmo Pocket out of this cage. Let's see what we can do. Slide this off. Right, looks like it just kind of, it's nice, it slips in here. Right, and locks in, very nice. Okay, and I can have the right, let's try that so I can stand it up a little bit. I really like now that I'll have that ability to have it on a selfie stick and then attach my phone on there. That's gonna make it really cool. So it was always kind of weird to use my phone with it. It's supposed to be a device that you can have in your pocket and quickly use and pull out and capture things. But because of its versatility, I always wanted to kind of do more with it every time I brought it out. So this is neat, very neat, nice. It's a pretty good range. I don't know if you can see that. So can I turn it on here? Oh yeah, it's on. Very nice. Let's see. Yeah, I flipped it around. That is slick. And with the Wi-Fi module attached and the phone here, it's gonna be really cool. But with it on this stick, and you have so many additional controls, do you need the Wi-Fi module? Do you need to connect your phone up? Yeah, you have a larger screen. So just thinking about how practical it is. Yeah, tilt lock with a C2. Alright, so I'm going to do some more testing, kind of get myself familiar with this, and then come back later with some actual footage of me testing it. But that's it for now. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I know I don't post videos too often, but I want to practice editing more, and I definitely enjoy trying out the new tech. I've kind of been editing for other people, but I want to put more content on the channel, and I'm definitely trying out new accessories and new things, and do a lot of videos on Instagram, but I really want to put out more content on YouTube. Well, that's it for now. Thank you guys for checking out the videos. If you guys have any questions again, please post them below and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Peace.